Hello friends. Some months ago I published a video reviewing the H1 Essential audio recorder as a good tool to record sounds as a backup for compact cameras when working in the field. A monopod is much better because with mini tripods and flexible gorilla tripods we tend to squeeze them or move our fingers while recording, and that also creates noises. Although all I said in that video is correct, I did not carry out a test walking with the recorder in my hand in places with low to medium ambient sounds. This summer, while doing videos for my other channel, Walking Parks and Beaches, I noticed the presence of many unwanted noises, very frequent noises, which forced me to do many cuts in the editing. Here you can see an example. All these noises come from the movement of the recorder on the tripod. I invite you to watch the video and subscribe to my other channel. I'll leave the links in the description. As you have heard, these noises are quite noticeable and unnatural, so they are a rare issue. In this video I'm going to show you the source of those noises and how you can stop them, so you don't have to do so many cuts while you're editing. When filming while walking, I usually use my camera on this tripod, which is a good size for the camera. On the other hand, the audio recorder, I have it on a monopod, which I believe transmits less noise from my hands to the recorder. Now I have the camera on a tripod to film what I am doing, and this piece of wood is imitating the camera. I have a pair of hypotheses, and I'll try to reproduce the same noises here. De arriba abajo. After hearing these results, I believe it's quite clear that the only structure that will not cause noises in our recorder is a monopod that doesn't have loose parts inside it. And if we don't make sudden movements or bump it against anything. A long monopod can bump into our legs or into anything that's on the ground. So it's much better and more convenient to have a short monopod well screwed in and with a mechanism that will hold it firmly in place so it doesn't move. Now if it touches something or bumps into something, then we know we have a noise in our audio and we have to repeat the take. In fact, if we're talking and a loud noise appears near us, these microphones tend to focus on the loud noise, lowering our volume. That is, they drown our voice. I have had to repeat many takes due to either a dog barking too loud near me or if I'm talking while I put on a power tool. That's why we need to separate our voice from other sounds. Well, I think that's about it. Thanks for coming with me on this short trip, and if you like the video, please remember, give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Bye-bye.